I'm attorney Zach Townsend with Pro Legal Care, here today to talk to you a little bit about farming divorces. Farming divorces are different for a variety of reasons, different than regular divorces. One of the reasons that farming divorces is different than regular divorces is because they usually involve a business. When a divorce involves a business, it can be highly complex and it could have different set of circumstances. Usually with a farm, it's a family business. And when a divorce involves a family business, usually emotions can run high. So when there's a business involved in a divorce, the business is valued. The concept behind a divorce is that everything gets a price tag. So that means the business gets a price tag too. There are a variety of different ways to value a business, and you have to consider the business assets as well as the business's capability of generating income for the future. So the livestock, crops, farmland, the implements, the equipment, the tools, all of it would be valued. That would be valued, and then that would be part of the determination of the value of the business. Oftentimes, we involve appraisers or business experts or agricultural experts to make sure that we have the most precise valuation that we possibly can of the farm if that's what needs to happen. If it's premarital, if it's part of a trust, or if there's another reason that it falls outside of the marital estate, that can very much change things in the course of the case, and that can very much change things in the outcome of the divorce. The judge would probably want to see copies of the trust. The judge would probably want to see the business paperwork, how the farm is structured, and other types of legal documents that may have been previously prepared that relate to the farm. If the farm has been in your family for generations, that's important, and that's something that the judge should know. These are different factors that the court should consider in a farming divorce. This is what the court does consider in a farming divorce. There seems to be a sort of different set of rules when it comes to the farming industry. There's a different culture, there's a different set of norms, there's a different way of doing business. And that's something that you need to understand as you proceed through a divorce, and that's something that the judge also needs to understand. The agreements, the relationships, the leases, the contracts, the subsidies, the seed, and everything in between needs to be considered. So make sure that you have an attorney that has experience in this area of law if you're going through a farming divorce. That's a little bit about divorcing with the farm.